The market is looking green again. Perfect. Crypto's pumping again. Hallelujah. I'm going to give you 3 coins that I believe are going to do some crazy numbers in the next couple of days, as long as the market stays bullish. My job is to find out the best opportunity, and that's what I do here, and that's what I've been doing. But anyways, let's get straight into it, yeah? I'm not going to waste you lot's time. I'm just going to give you my 3 coins. I'm going to show you my thinking process, and we're going to call it a wrap. Nice and easy. All right. First coin that we're going to be talking about is Fuckcoin. Yeah, I said it. Fuckcoin. Fuckcoin is a meme coin for those that don't know. Yeah. And I chose Fuckcoin. Why? Because it hasn't really it's pumped a bit, but it hasn't started running yet. And that's what I like to do. I like to find the coins that hasn't really done something crazy yet. So all right. Let me tell you why I picked Fuckcoin, yeah? As you can see, Fuckcoin came down. This white line's resistance, and it hasn't broke resistance. This is the 13th of October. It couldn't break resistance. 13th of October, right? Came down. This is the lowest it went. 22nd of November. Came up here. This resistance area and the red box couldn't get broken. Sellers kept on shorting down here. Came down, came up. This yellow line is the higher low. From there, boom, we broke it. Yeah. But I'm still not interested in this little game because we don't know if the price is just going to come here and come back down, right? So what we're doing, the safest entry would be for this white line to get broken, come back, retest, and we aim for all of this liquidity, all of this resistance, all of this sellers, whatever you want to call it. This is the next target, right? All right. That's a 60% move. Even down here, that's a 32% move. Either way, it looks nice once we break this line, right? So this is one of the coins that I want you lot to look out for, especially my leverage traders. You don't know what to do. Nice little 5x, 10x. Once you get the breakout slash retest, you're winning. Simple thinking process. Nice little setup. That's how we're doing it, yeah? Next coin. The next coin I picked is Jasmine. Same thing with Jasmine. This is on Maxi. I got a better chart for Jasmine. We'll get to that in a second, but it's the same outcome. We need this white line to break. Yeah. Once this white line breaks, it comes back, retest. We come for all of this liquidity up here. And the move is a big move, 32% moves. Remember, this ain't for spot traders. This is for leverage traders only. 32 moves using leverage. That's some nice gains. As you can see, look. This is very easy. This is not a hard setup. All you need to do is wait for the price to break this resistance that we've had since November. Use it, come back as support, and then boom, we fly up. Simple, right? Let me show you another chart I got for. Don't even know why I done that. Let me show you another chart I got for Jasmine. It's on a different exchange. As you can see, this exchange is Maxi. I use a couple different exchanges, and this one's on Binance, yeah. As you can see, my fingers are moving crazy. All right, cool. There you go. Like, Jasmine looks nice. Falling wedge. Broke out. Now we just need to see how far are we going to go. Like, no one knows, right? But if you look at this setup, if you look at all the targets, some nice gains. There's some nice gains to be made, right? There you go. It's the same thing though. We need this line to get broken. Come back, use a retest. But I'm not gonna be trading this on Binance because I'm in the UK. Can't leverage trade in the UK. Literally can't leverage trade at all. So you have to just, you know what I mean? You have to do your little thing. That's why we're here using Maxi. Boom. Same thing. We just needed to break, retest, and we're in there. That's the second coin. Let's get to the third one. The third one, I'm kind of scared to give it to you, look, because it's pumping already. Like, look, the daily candle just closed. We're literally like 28 minutes in, and look, it's already pumping. Third coin is Sui. Sui's moving. Sui's moving a lot. Let's go on the 4 hour. Sui's about to break this, which would be resistance. Sui's doing a lot. Sui's moving, man. I'm kind of scared to give you like Sui. Don't want anyone to be like, oh, I got wrecked, blah, blah, blah. Sui needs to cool off. It's a big move from Sui. But let's see what the profit margin would be. 13% to the nearest. Then after that would be 26%. I'm kind of scared of giving you like Sui, man. Because I don't want anyone to get wrecked. Yeah. Sui, in my opinion, needs to cool off. Sui's got a lot of FOMO behind it. Like, look, the new daily candle just, the new daily, like, candle just, let's go on the daily just to show you, yeah? It just started, like, half an hour ago. We still got another 23 hours and 30 minutes left. And Sui is outperforming everything, just under 3%. Look, like, that's crazy. I can't give you Sui because I don't want anyone to get wrecked. So I'm going to give you a safer one, yeah? Avalanche, AVAX. Hasn't really done anything. AVAX hasn't done anything. And this is still my breakout level. Everything else is iffy, scary. So if you see AVAX break $15.846, that's when you enter. All of this is just, could go either way. This is a safer entry. But yeah, man, that's my 3 coins. And why, just to recap, why is everything green? Why is everything pumping? Because of this bad boy, Bitcoin. Bitcoin done a big move today. Big move. Let's go on the hourly. Big move. I was actually in a long when Bitcoin was go when Bitcoin came up here and it wicked and it started pumping. I longed SOL. I posted it on my X, on my Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, boom. That's the trade. Look at the entry. Like, it's a nice entry. That's a really nice entry. 133 SOL. Oof. 133 is down here. I entered like down here, you know. That's a very nice entry. Did I get this whole move? Nope. I didn't get this whole move. I cut out 33%. Why did I cut out 33%? Because Bitcoin was just moving weird. Like, I really thought Bitcoin was going to come down, cool off, and then pump again. But then again, like what I said here, I said, yo, I should have left this one to run. Oh, well, you don't go broke from taking profit. So as long as you're taking profit, even though you lost that or more profit, but you don't go broke. So it's not that deep. It's just like, you get that with experience in it. Back in the day, I used to be pissed. I'd be like, fuck, that done another 300%, that done another 400%. And I'll start chasing. Now I don't do that shit because I've got experience and I've learned from other traders. So hopefully if you're kind of new or you like, that's one of your downfalls, like you love chasing or you always think like, oh, I could have got more, did it then. Hopefully when you see this video, you kind of like, I don't know, you learn something. Like, but yeah, anyways, look, markets just opened. It's about China. It's gonna be China time real soon. I hate calling it China time. It's gonna be Asia session real soon. Yeah. So yeah, I'm expecting the market to keep going up, or they can wake up and be like, let's short Bitcoin. But either way, the FOMO's in. Like a lot of people are FOMO'd in right now, and they're talking about Bitcoin going to 110, 120K. Who knows, right? All I know is once Bitcoin hits, if Bitcoin starts breaking above, like, let's get rid of this. Let me show you on the daily. First things first, yeah. I'm not getting excited because we still got all of this to break. Once we break all of this, we need to come up here. All of this support, see all of this support that was support in November, all of this is resistance now. So we need to break this 100K mark. Once we break the 100K mark, we need to go and break all of this. Like, bro, Bitcoin's got a long way, a long way. I'm not saying it won't, I'm not saying it can't, but I'm just saying I can't get excited right now. Like, I'm not a little boy. Like, the same back in the day me, yeah? Bitcoin's got a lot of work to do. I can see that. And the FOMO hasn't kicked in for me. So if it starts breaking all down here and starts using that support and keeps climbing, then I might change my narrative. But until then, bear market is still on. This is just a bounce, a nice healthy bounce before we create a new low. That's about it, man. You don't know what to do. Like, subscribe, all of that, all of that. And I'll hit you up with some more.